Today we are basically showing all of the elementary school students what we have at the high school CTE wise.
Introduce the classes that we can provide them at the high school to them so they can start thinking about these as possible careers that they can go into whenever they get up to this level.
Yeah, I believe it's really beneficial because at the high school, especially Midway, we offer so many courses that it's kind of hard to decide what you want to do. So I think the benefit of being here is that you kind of get a little bit of a glimpse of what it's like and what you're going to be doing in those classes.
We have been working for about 3 months now on getting everything prepared, and then we've been setting up a plan for I think about 6 months now of creating plans for each table so that each station has something about the courses that we have at the high school.
I think most kids nowadays are more hands-on learners because of how much technologies came into the lives of kids. So I think it's really beneficial to get more hands-on experience rather than someone just talking about what they do. So you can learn how things actually work and how you're actually going to do it in the real world.
I enjoy being able to talk to them and answer any questions they have because they don't know that it's out there, so it's really, fun to answer their questions and kind of provide them new ideas of what they can do.
So I definitely think this is something that I wish to have had as an elementary school student because I think it helps give each student something to kind of go off of maybe what they want to be in the future.
I think it's better now that there's a lot of options to figure out what you want to do, what you want to go into, and to kind of follow in your own footsteps on what you want to do.